So today I'm going to Brownsea Island to look for something I've never seen in this country before. That bird isn't actually a bird, it's a red squirrel. But of course, as always, I am going to be looking for birds as well. So we're on the boat now and off we go. So supposedly just round behind this church is the best place to see the red squirrels, which isn't far to walk, so that's where we're going first. Well, it feels very strange not to be looking for a bird at the moment. So I've got one just up here in the top of this tree, just up here. So I'm going to try and see if I can get a video, but it's acting very skittish and it's not coming out to play. A much better shot of red squirrel right here than I can get. So we did quite well on the red squirrel, so we're now in the hide looking at waders, and we're just so close with beautiful light. It's absolutely incredible. So to give you some idea of how close the birds are, you can see this green shank and this black-headed gull from the mobile phone. So we're in the second hide now, and quality of birds is just continuing. We've had 7 curlew sandpiper, really close views of green shank, red shank, just really good birds all round. And we're up to about 46 species for the day. So we're currently on 48 species. It'd be really nice to get to 50, so we're going to try really hard to just get 2 more. So our 50th bird is Eurasian shag. Well, pretty much ready to go home now. We're just waiting for our ferry, but we've got 53 species overall, which is pretty good. I should do more of these closing videos, because since I've just done that, we've just added medgold to the list. So we're on 54 species.